Hey, this is Yoga Your Heart Out with Deb. Congratulations on just taking a few moments out of your day just for you so you can peel back layers of stress out of your mind and out of your body through yoga, through moving and breathing. I hope you really enjoy this sequence. Give it a thumbs up when you're done. Shoot me a comment and I'll comment back if you have something to say. And let's get started. All right, let's get started. Today we're going to start in child's pose. So go ahead and get on your hands and knees. Bring your big toes together. Sit your butt on your heels. Widen your knees open just so you can come down the center. Bringing your forehead down to the mat, palms down. Settle in. I don't know what you just came from, but I know it's hard to switch gears sometimes. Some days even more than others, right? Depending on what we're coming from. So allow yourself that space and allow yourself that time to transition from the outside world into a yoga practice, which ultimately will be like a moving meditation where we start peeling back layers of stress using breath and using stretches and paying attention to sensation, so we can just feel better when we're done. So start noticing how you're feeling today. Notice your breathing. Notice your emotional state, right? So there's not any judgment that's being passed here at the beginning. It's just, or ever actually, but it's just acknowledgement with what you're working with. I'm going to give you some suggestions now with the breathing. So if you want to, breathe in and out of your nose the whole time. Also, make it really deep. So inhale. And I want you to fill up your lungs, like really feel those lungs expanding. Use the belly to press the air all the way out. Good, and you're just going to go through this process of repeating this breath in and out of your nose. Massive inhales, massive exhales. You got it. If you want to add a little noise to it, you could constrict the back of your throat and make a subtle sound of H. You certainly don't have to, but you could. So now you have a tool now that will help you through your practice, help you stay focused. All right? So try to maintain this breath the best you can. Take another inhale. As you exhale, come all the way up. Tuck your toes under. Bring your butt to the sky. Come to down dog. Good. Spread your fingers wide. Press into the mat. Good. Press your chest back. Shake your head yes and no. Don't hang on to any tension in your neck. Take another inhale, then walk your feet up to meet your hands, standing forward fold at the top of your mat. Good. Hang heavy here. If you want to put a little bend in your knee, you could. You can grab opposite elbows. You can sway side to side. Whatever you want. Take a moment. Remember that breath we set up with. Keep it going. All right, eventually find yourself back to a standing forward fold. Put a bend in your knee, a slight bend. Take a massive inhale, roll all the way up to standing. Bring your head and bring your neck up last. Arms to the sky, palms together, heart center. Inhale, release your arms down, fly them up. Exhale, dive forward to your toes. Take your hands, slide them up your shins, halfway lift with the flat back. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to a plank pose and hold. Float your shoulders right over your wrists. Press the floor away super strong. Good, draw your belly up and in. Take another inhale, shift your weight forward into your toes, lower slow. Good, untuck your toes, inhale, chest up. Exhale, tuck your toes, press it up. Down dog. Good job. Take a moment here. Good. Inhale, press it back. Exhale, walk, or you could giant step it up to the top, standing forward fold. Slide your hands up your shins again for a halfway lift. Exhale, sink it down. All right, inhale, strengthen your belly and rise it up. Lengthen, palms together, heart center. Inhale, release your arms, fly them up. Exhale, just dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, giant step, or you could walk it back, plank. Inhale, roll it forward, lower, slow. Inhale, chest up for cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes, butt to the sky, down dog. Woo, good job. Inhale, press it back. Exhale, giant step or walk to the top, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, sink it down. Inhale, rise it up. Palms together, heart center. Good job. Inhale, release your arms, fly them up to the sky, bend your knees 90 degrees, chair pose. Whew. So we're moving on here. You can sink as low as you want in this chair pose. It just depends on how hard you want to make it. But look down and make sure you can see your toes. Good. Roll your pinkies in, relax your shoulder. Hold for 5, 4. You can do it. 3, 2, 1. Dive forward, get out of it. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, giant step, or walk back, plank pose. Inhale, shift it forward, lower slow. Inhale, chest. Exhale, down dog. Press it up. Hold for a moment here. Breathe. Remember that bottom belly breath that we started with. Try to maintain it. And know that everything we do, you can modify, you can skip. You don't have to do it all. So if you cannot breathe, that's a good indication. Set your knees down and take a break. Otherwise, keep moving with me. Inhale, right leg up. Open the hip, bend the knee. Straighten it out. Take another inhale, draw the right knee in, set it down, runner's lunge. Take a moment. Make sure you're not on a balance beam here. Take a massive inhale, rise it up, high lunge, crescent pose, sink into it. So here your back leg is towards straight and your right knee is bending. Good, hips square forward. All right, keep the legs exactly the same. Take a massive inhale, draw your arms down like jet airplane wings. Hover your torso right above the mat. Hold, breathe, you can do it. Take another massive inhale. Bring it all the way back up. Bring your right arm behind you. Twist. Gaze back at those right fingertips. Pull the right fingertips back. Take another inhale. Right arm to the sky. And then spin that back left foot 90 degrees. Heel toe your right foot over just a little so you can bring that right heel in line with the back left arch. Turn your gaze forward to the right. Sink into it, right knee bends, warrior 2. Take another inhale. Both hands cartwheel down to the mat, back foot on toes. Step it back, plank. Shift forward, lower down. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, press it up, down dog. Haha, good. Basic moving and breathing. And when I say basic, I do not mean easy, okay? Inhale, left leg up. Open the hip, bend the knee. Straighten it out. Take a massive inhale, draw the left knee in, set it down, runner's lunge, sink into it. Make sure you're not on a balance beam. You know what's coming next. All right, take a massive inhale, press it up. High lunge, crescent pose. Left knee bends back, right leg is straight. Gaze straight ahead. Good. Take another inhale. Drop your arms like jet airplane wings. Lower your torso so it's floating above the mat. Hold. You can do it. Take another inhale. Raise it up. Arms up. Left arm behind you. Right arm in front. Take your gaze to the left. Pull the left fingertips back. Good. Take another inhale. Both arms up. Crescent. Spin it open. Back foot spins 90. Left foot. Left heel lines up with the center of the back, right arch, sink into it, warrior 2. Take your gaze just past your left middle finger. Breathe. Take another inhale, cartwheel it down, back foot on toes, step it back, plank, shift your weight forward and lower. Inhale, chest up, exhale, tuck your toes, butt to the sky, down dog. Haha, nice. Nice work. Breathe. From here, inhale your right leg up. Bend your knee, step it in between your hands. This time, bring that back left foot up about a foot. Spin at 45. Shift your hips back, straighten the right leg, pyramid pose. If you can't quite touch the ground, use your fingertips or rest your hands on your shin. Good. Breathing, holding, feeling a stretch in your right hamstring. Just a couple breaths here. Good. Take another inhale. As you exhale, put a bend in that knee just so you can step it back, down dog. Nice work. Inhale, left leg up, bend the knee, step it up, back foot comes up, spins 45 degrees just so you can shift your hips back. Straighten your left leg, pyramid pose on the left side. Same options with the hands. Breathe, couple breaths. Take another inhale, rebend the knee, step it back, down dog. Inhale, press it back. Exhale, giant step or walk to the top, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, sink it down. Bend your knees 90 degrees. Inhale, chair pose. Nice job. Bring your hands heart center, keep the chair. Good. Breathing. Now take your left elbow, right thigh, right elbow to the sky, twist. Good. Try to look down at your knees, keep them in line with each other. Press your right hand into the left, deepening the twist. Take another inhale. Come to center, hands heart center. All right, keep the chair, right elbow, left thigh, left elbow to the sky. Press the left hand into the right, deepening the twist. Take a moment, look at your knees, make sure they're in line with each other. Breathe. Take another inhale, chair pose, hands heart center. Stand up tall, arms down by your sides. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step back, plank. Shift your weight forward, lower slow. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, stay. Slide your forearms out in front of you. I want you to stack your shoulders over your elbows, palms flat, fingers spread. Grip the mat. Good. Gaze down between your thumbs for Sphinx pose. Concentrate on taking your shoulders down and away from your ears. Breathe. Now, stay here. If you want more, I'm not assuming you do, but I'm just letting you know. You could deepen this stretch if you needed more, but only you know what you need. So stay tuned with what your body's telling you. Seal pose. Excuse me. Palms flat. My legs stay the same, but my arms straighten out. Try to relax your glutes. This is a deeper back bend. Seal pose. Take another inhale. As you exhale, come all the way down. Press all the way up. Bring your big toes together. Sit down on your heels. Child's pose. Forehead to the mat. Take a moment. Take a minute. From here, in child's pose, I want you to take your fingertips and walk them to the left, just so you get a little stretch on the right side. Breathe into the right side. All right, let's switch it out. Bring your fingertips to the right, and then feel the stretch on the left side body. Breathe. All right, come back down to the center, bring it up, and then we're going to transition onto our backs. So you can gently just find your way there. Bring your knees into your chest. Arms out like a T or a goalpost. You're going to take your knees and you're going to scoot your hips to the left, drop your knees to the right. If you want, take your gaze to the left for a gentle spinal twist. Breathe, sink into it. You got it. Take another inhale. As you exhale, we're going to switch it out. Scoot your hips to the right, knees to the left, gaze to the right. Breathe. Bottom belly breaths. Almost there. All right, take another inhale. As you exhale, come back to the center. Hug your knees one more time. Squeeze them in. Good. Take a massive inhale. As you exhale, release your legs down. Arms down by your sides. Close your eyes. Find your natural breath. Listen, this is our Shavasana pose where we just pause, close your eyes, and take a few minutes to feel complete and total relaxation. So if you want to hit the pause button because you got 5 or 10 minutes, go for it. Otherwise, you can stay here with me for a very short Shavasana if you're pressed on time today. All right, maybe you hit the pause button and came back. Maybe you're with me. Either one's okay. Let's just transition slowly. Maybe turning gently to one side, taking a moment. And when you're ready, not before, you come all the way up to an easy seated position, hands, heart, center. I hope you feel better than when you started today. Your mind thanks you and your body thanks you for taking this time to peel back those layers of stress. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up so you don't miss any videos that come out every Monday. If you want something more, go to yogayourheartoutwithdeb.com/free60, FREE60, and check that out. I hope you have a great day. Namaste.